Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of hunting rifles, essential tools for hunters seeking precision, reliability, and performance in the field. Whether you're tracking deer, elk, or small game, choosing the right rifle can make all the difference. In this video, we'll explore the best hunting rifles available, breaking down their features, calibers, and suitability for various game types and environments. From seasoned hunters to beginners, this guide will help you find the perfect fit for your next adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more hunting tips, gear reviews, and expert insights. Number 8. Ruger American is a versatile and affordable bolt-action rifle designed to meet the needs of both novice and experienced shooters alike, making it an excellent choice for a variety of shooting applications, including hunting and target shooting. Introduced as part of Ruger's commitment to producing high-quality firearms at an accessible price point, the American rifle features a robust, lightweight composite stock that offers durability and comfort during extended use. Available in multiple calibers, including popular options like .243 Winchester, .270 Winchester, and .308 Winchester, the Ruger American allows shooters to select the ideal configuration for their specific needs. The rifle boasts a user-friendly design with an adjustable trigger that enhances accuracy by allowing for a customized pull weight. Its integral bedding system contributes to improved stability and precision, while the cold, hammer-forged barrel ensures consistent performance and longevity. The Ruger American also features a detachable magazine, making reloading quick and easy in the field. With its combination of innovative features, reliable performance, and exceptional value, the Ruger American stands out as a solid choice for hunters and shooting enthusiasts looking for a dependable bolt-action rifle that performs well in various conditions and shooting scenarios. Number 7. Remington M700 is a bolt-action rifle known for its reliability, precision, and popularity among hunters, target shooters, and military snipers. First introduced in 1962, the Model 700 quickly set a new standard for accuracy due to its strong cylindrical receiver, well-engineered trigger, and solid build. The M700 features a unique 3 rings of steel design, which strengthens the connection between the bolt, barrel, and action, ensuring a high level of safety and accuracy under intense firing conditions. It is available in a wide range of calibers and barrel lengths, making it adaptable to various shooting disciplines. Over the years, the M700 has become a top choice for long-range shooting due to its precise bolt-action mechanism and customizable platform, allowing shooters to adjust the stock, trigger, and optics to suit their needs. Its robust construction and legacy of performance make the Remington M700 a timeless rifle icon. Number 6. CZ600 series represents a versatile and innovative line of bolt-action rifles designed for hunters and precision shooters alike. Launched by CZ with a commitment to modernize traditional rifle engineering, the series includes a range of models: Alpha, Lux, Range, and Trail, each tailored to different shooting needs, from hunting and sport shooting to tactical applications. The CZ600 rifles feature a unique modular design with an interchangeable barrel system, allowing shooters to easily switch calibers. The cold hammer-forged barrels provide exceptional accuracy, while the smooth, adjustable trigger offers a customizable pull weight for enhanced control. Additionally, the rifles incorporate a push-to-fire safety mechanism and a user-friendly magazine release. With options for synthetic or walnut stocks, rugged finishes, and threaded barrels, the CZ600 series balances reliability with adaptability, making it a favorite for shooters seeking a durable and highly customizable firearm that can meet diverse field conditions. Number 5. Tikka T3. Lite Roughtech Ember is a precision-engineered bolt-action rifle that blends durability with lightweight handling, making it a popular choice for hunters and outdoor shooters. Designed by Tikka, known for high-quality Finnish craftsmanship, this model is built to handle tough conditions without sacrificing accuracy. The Roughtech Ember's synthetic stock is reinforced with a special rough-textured finish, offering an enhanced grip even in wet or cold weather, while the fluted barrel helps reduce weight and manage heat during repeated shots. The T3X Lite also features an adjustable single-stage trigger, allowing shooters to fine-tune it for a personalized feel. Its modular stock is compatible with a variety of accessories, providing customization options for different shooting styles and environments. With its stainless steel bolt, durable materials, and precise performance, the Tikka T3X Lite Roughtech Ember is a reliable companion for both rugged expeditions and demanding fieldwork. Number 4. Ruger Gunsite Scout is a versatile bolt-action rifle designed for rugged use and practicality, making it ideal for tactical and hunting applications. Developed in collaboration with the Gunsite Academy, this rifle embodies the scout rifle concept pioneered by Jeff Cooper, focusing on a lightweight, compact, and multi-purpose firearm. Chambered typically in .308 Winchester, the Gunsite Scout features a 16.5-inch cold, hammer-forged barrel with a flash suppressor, balancing maneuverability with effective range. The rifle comes with a forward-mounted Picatinny rail, enabling quick attachment of optics, and includes adjustable iron sights for reliable target acquisition. Its detachable box magazine provides quick reloads, while the adjustable length of pull on the synthetic or laminated stock accommodates different shooting positions and body types. With its rugged design, excellent accuracy, and adaptability for various shooting scenarios, the Ruger Gunsite Scout is a trusted choice for shooters who need reliability in diverse field conditions. Number 3. Savage 110 Hunter is a bolt-action rifle built to offer hunters superior performance, customization, and durability. Part of the legendary Savage 110 series, this model is designed with a focus on adaptability and precision, ideal for a range of hunting environments. Its standout feature is the AccuFit system, which allows shooters to customize the stock's length of pull and comb height for a tailored fit, enhancing comfort and accuracy. The 110 Hunter also incorporates Savage's renowned AccuTrigger, which provides a clean, crisp pull and can be easily adjusted to match individual preferences. Equipped with a carbon steel barrel and a synthetic stock, the rifle is lightweight yet robust, making it easy to carry over long distances without sacrificing durability. Available in various calibers, the Savage 110 Hunter combines a traditional hunting rifle's reliability with modern adjustability, making it a top choice for hunters seeking precision and customization. Number 2. Weatherby Mark V is a premium bolt-action rifle celebrated for its strength, accuracy, and classic design, making it a top choice among precision shooters and hunters alike. Known for its 9-lug bolt design, the Mark IV provides one of the strongest actions available, capable of handling Weatherby's high-velocity Magnum cartridges with ease. This unique bolt design ensures smooth cycling and reduces bolt lift, allowing for faster follow-up shots and superior reliability. The Mark V's accuracy is enhanced by a free-floating barrel and a carefully engineered trigger, both contributing to tight groupings at long range. Available in various configurations, from the classic walnut-stocked deluxe model to more rugged synthetic-stocked versions, the Mark V adapts to diverse shooting needs and environments. Combining American craftsmanship with Weatherby's high standards for performance, the Mark V has become an iconic rifle known for handling powerful cartridges while delivering consistent pinpoint accuracy. Number 1. Bergara B14 Ridge is a bolt-action rifle built for hunters and shooters who demand precision and reliability in the field. Known for its exceptional accuracy, the B14 Ridge features Bergara's renowned cold, hammer-forged barrel, engineered in Spain with rigorous quality standards to deliver consistent shot placement at long ranges. The rifle is chambered in popular calibers, suited for big game, and comes equipped with a 4,140 Carmo steel barrel with a Cerakote finish, adding corrosion resistance and durability for harsh conditions. The synthetic stock has a soft-touch finish, providing a firm grip and stability regardless of weather, while its threaded barrel offers versatility for adding muzzle devices or suppressors. The Ridge model also includes an adjustable Bergara performance trigger, delivering a crisp and reliable pull. With its balance of craftsmanship, accuracy, and value, the B14 Ridge is a trusted choice among hunters seeking a durable, accurate rifle for demanding outdoor pursuits.